Hey and welcome in Kotlin for Complete Beginners. I'm Hussein Rubai. I have a master in software engineering and I have worked as a web developer since 9 years, and I have a lot of experience with mobile and web development. And I have Microsoft MVP for 2017. So, Google recently said they will switch to a new language to develop Android application, name it Kotlin. In this course, you will learn Kotlin from beginner to professional. Even if you don't have any programming experience, that is totally fine. I will start teaching you the programming foundation like variables, loops, condition, then we will go to talk about functions, then object-oriented programming. Then we will start develop our Android application and games like tic-tac-toe games and more games. And also this course will get updated every week with the new materials because Kotlin something is still new and we want to match this new updates from Google. So what are you waiting for? Let's get started with the complete Kotlin developer course.